an inspiring story of resilience and empowerment emerged from the heart of Uttar Pradesh, India. As an 18-year-old rickshaw driver named Aarti received a prestigious Women's Empowerment Award in London. After being honored with the Amal Clooney Women's Empowerment Award, Aarti, hailing from a village in the Bahraj district, had the remarkable opportunity to meet King Charles III at the Buckingham Palace. Aarti received this award at the Princess Trust Awards in London for her exceptional role in inspiring other young girls through her involvement in the government's Pink e-rickshaw initiative. This initiative aims to provide safe transportation for women and drive tangible social change in the community. The award, named after the renowned human rights barrister Amal Clooney, celebrates young women worldwide who have overcome significant obstacles and made lasting impacts on those around them. At the ceremony, Aarti was recognized for her determination and perseverance. She shared her journey stating, "I take pride in being able to inspire other girls who face similar challenges. This newfound independence has allowed me to see the world in a different light. Now I can fulfill my dreams and those of my daughter." Aarti, who has a 5-year-old daughter, described her experience in London as unbelievably amazing. She mentioned how meeting King Charles III was a significant moment for her. "He was so nice and also sent his namaste to my family. He also listened carefully as I spoke about how much I love driving my e-rickshaw, which does not run on polluting diesel or petrol, but one that I charge at home every night," Aarti shared, speaking in Hindi. Founded by King Charles when he was the Prince of Wales, the Princess Trust International will now transform into the King's Trust International. This organization continues its mission of supporting young people across 20 countries through programs focused on employment, education, and enterprise. The Princess Trust Women's Empowerment Award specifically honors young women who have succeeded against the odds and made a significant difference in their communities. Amal Clooney, the British activist barrister after whom the award is named, praised Aarti's efforts. This year's winner, Aarti, is an inspirational example of someone whose trailblazing work in a typically male arena makes women in her community safer. Aarti is determined to create a world where her daughter will not face the obstacle that she has faced, and she's already making a difference through her example, Clooney said. For the reception at Buckingham Palace, Aarti arrived in a pink rickshaw, showcasing it as a sustainable mode of transport and a symbol of empowerment and change. In July 2023, Project Leher delivered a partnership with Princess Trust International and the Aga Khan Foundation introduced Aarti to the Indian government's Pink e-rickshaw scheme. This initiative aims to empower women and expand their income earning opportunities across the country. The Bahraj District Administration provided e-rickshaws to women drivers with a subsidy under this initiative scheme. The initiative seeks to increase employment opportunities for vulnerable women, especially widows and single mothers like Aarti, while also improving women's access to safe transport, thereby increasing their mobility. Tini Swani, CEO of the Aga Khan Foundation in India, who accompanied Aarti to the award ceremony and helped interpret for her, expressed immense pride. Aarti truly embodies the courage, perseverance, and determination to succeed against all odds, emerging as a role model for women in her village. We are immensely grateful for our partnership with the Princess Trust International that has enabled us to support young women to realize their dreams and aspirations, Swani said. Will Straw, CEO of the Princess Trust International, also praised Aarti's achievements. I am so proud of Aarti on winning this year's Women's Empowerment Award. She's breaking societal barriers and setting an example through her strength and determination. Our work in India gives young people the opportunity to build valuable life skills and find meaningful work. Through Project Leher and our partnership with the Aga Khan Foundation, we will continue supporting young women to achieve their ambitions. Straw added. Aarti's journey from a small village in Uttar Pradesh to Buckingham Palace is a testament to the power of determination and the impact of initiatives aimed at empowering women. Her story is a beacon of hope, showing that with support and opportunity, individuals can rise above their circumstances and inspire others to do the same.
मेरा नाम आरती है और ज़िला मेरा बहराइच है। भारत देश से हैं हम। घर में हमारी मम्मी है, पापा हैं, भाई है, बहन है। ई-रिक्शा चलाते हैं। मैम हमको खुशी है कि हम महिला को सहायता करते हैं। बहुत खुशी है मैम। जब से तो उनको घर से निकलती हैं, घर से निकलते थे वेट करना पड़ता था, इंतज़ार करना पड़ता था रोड पे खड़े होकर। फिर वहाँ पे गए, फिर हमको आत्मनिर्भर बनाने के लिए बताया गया, सिखाया गया हर एक चीज़ कैसे आगे बढ़ना है, कैसे क्या। क्योंकि ई-रिक्शा हमारी महिलाएं के लिए, हमारी दीदी के लिए बहुत सहायता हुआ। उनके जाने आने का प्रॉब्लम ख़त्म हुआ। वो लोग मुझे फ़ोन करके बोले कि ये अवार्ड हम लोगों को मिल रहा है, तो मैं इतनी खुश हो गई कि मैं बता नहीं सकती। खुद पे जैसे दूसरों को आगे हाथ फैलाओ, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा अच्छा है कि अपने आप से काम करके अपनी बच्ची का अपना खर्चा चलाओ, वो ज़्यादा बेहतर है।